everyone, this is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. I'm back with you to share another video. And in this video, I will be sharing a Christmas decoration for my porch using some plywood, some ribbon, some Christmas ornament, and any type of flowers that you may have around your house. So if this is something that you may be interested in, then keep on watching. The things that you would need for this here DIY is some flowers of your choice, some scissors, any type of Christmas ornament, some glue stick, a glue gun, and a wire hanger. So one may ask, well, what is she going to do with the wire hanger? Well, guys, in order to create your wreath, you will need a wire hanger like this. You need to create a circle and add your ornaments onto it. So that's how I was able to create my wreath over here. And you may need to put some glue in between the ornaments so that way it keeps it from moving around. So the other things that you will need is the choice of your ribbon. Since I'm doing a candy cane look, I had purchased that ribbon from Walmart. I also have a doormat that has a lot of little red trucks. Those that saw my video know I love red trucks. So you will need some ribbon of your choice. Once again, you will need any type of wood that you may have. I had this wood in my storage room, so I went ahead and spray painted. So you will also need some spray paint of your choice, and that's pretty much it. Then what you will need to do is you will need to hot glue your ribbon onto your board. So I did not hot glue my ribbon on my board because I wanted you to be able to see what I was doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and hot glue my ribbons onto my board. Then I'll be right back. So that's the ribbon that you see on the board. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I have glued my wreath on already. I glued the ribbon in place. And I'm thinking about, guys, is adding this here sign onto my wreath. Anyway, we keep the reason for the season, that's Jesus' birth. So I'm going to add that onto my wreath, and it should look like this. I'm going to add probably another piece of ribbon to the bottom. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY, very simple. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And you will be seeing it on my front porch on our Christmas decorating front porch or back porch. Whatever porch you have, guys, you will be able to decorate it, and let's have fun together. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So the next time I see you, you will be seeing this video up and my porch should be decorated. So until the next time, I will see you, yes, you and you, in the next video. Bye-bye.